Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're going into a restaurant basement today and their main line is backing up. So we're gonna snake it out and see what we find. We know it's gonna be grease buildup. So let's go see what we gotta deal with. Alright, so we're going to be using the K60.
Replacing them. Use your boxes.
Sump pump? That looks like a sump pump. That with water to it?
Okay, so it's stuck.
So that was 15, 20, 22 feet.
Was something blocked on 22 feet? Underneath.
By that flap.
Was blocked. Why you backed it up?
Because it's people's using the water. The grease builds up around that flap, and then it won't let it flow. So then when everybody uses water, it comes back.
You're not using water.
Somebody is. You see how that backed up? Somebody's using water somewhere. That looked like a sump pump discharge. I don't know.
My guys,
I'm not saying it came from here. It could have came from below, but it's hooked up. That amount of volume of water all at once is like a sump pump discharge line.
once you make them,
Like it's clear now.
makes you open up, it's not gonna happen. No?
Bob,
No.
don't ask questions you don't want the answers to. Yes, it's grease. It's gonna back up again. When? I don't know. Maybe a year, maybe 2 years,
No.
maybe a month, maybe a day.
We need to power wash it.
Okay.
The only reason you don't have one because you don't have a machine. That's the only
Yeah,
way
the guys
to do
are
it.
busy.
Yeah, I know.
But that's what I'm saying. You always try to get it done before it backs
Every
up.
6 months. How often do you have to do it?
How
I have to push
when's
for
the
it.
last time it backed up?
Before COVID, maybe. You guys, you have it even in your computer. You can know when they did it. Yeah, you don't know. Maybe 3 years ago.
Oh.
No, because of the COVID, everywhere
Yeah,
closed.
yeah,
You can do
yeah.
nothing.
Yeah.
Hey, he doesn't have
If I were you, open your restaurant. It's lunchtime, people are going to want to come, open it up. It's clear now.
Okay.
Now it's clean up, but clean up, you can get one of you guys to clean up.
It's gonna keep going the water?
Yeah.
Doesn't back up?
Well, it shouldn't.
Yeah.
Is there any way to try?
Yeah, try it.
Run water,
What is
run water
Send
everywhere.
some water?
Everywhere.
Open up the water
Yeah.
from upstairs, yeah.
Right.
Wait, Jose, I gotta give you hot water from
Push that
upstairs.
stuff, all those buckets, pour back in. Seriously.
My stomach goes.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we can use that one.
Okay.
He's gonna clean it in 2 seconds. Well, I gotta give you water from upstairs.
That will test it, that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying.
No, I gotta send water down.
Yeah. Just be
Crazy.
Yeah. Would you imagine they trade this for 6 years, 3 years? Oh my God.
Long time.
Yeah, that's why the grease coming inside its thing.
Can we squeeze by you there?
Yeah, it comes there, it comes out there.
Yeah. That's a big back water valve. Let's go pull the cable out.
Here's your water.
Oh, it's okay. My hands are all greasy. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, hey. So I opened up that backwater valve. The cable's not even there yet. So the problem was before that. Yeah.
Okay, if you open up this block, how much open up? This much? Or like a half?
Probably 2.5 inches.
Okay.
This is a 4-inch pipe. It's mostly clear, mostly all out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now, is this new can organize the top of water rushing?
No, it's gonna go through Carlos.
He has the top? No. 100% he wants it.
Okay, so he's gotta contact the office. I don't have.
He calls right down?
Yeah, sure. They're not gonna. I know the guys are on a different job, so.
No, like for tomorrow.
So much oil.
Hello. Can you check it with your eyes?
Check
Your tongue
what?
is okay? It's running okay?
What?
You're expert here.
Is what running okay?
The one that is going to drain. Looks like it. Looks very good.
That? That?
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Is it running?
Yeah. Look. Take a look at it.
Okay.
Yeah? Good, yeah?
And then come see over here. Come see.
That's something blocked before, eh?
It was before here, yeah. Because like, I had the cables in, I left them in, and then I came and opened this, and I didn't see the cables, so that means it was behind.
Yeah. Well, open it up at least half of that. Yeah, okay, thank you.
So, what I'm gonna suggest to you, don't close this in.
No.
Because if the guys come to power wash,
No.
they're gonna want to see
No,
this.
no, I get it.
Always-
I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff. Don't worry.
It's always good to leave space, right?
Yeah. You know when you get a knee problem, you can't come downstairs with hands.
I know.
Okay? I couldn't, for 2 years I couldn't come down.
Really, eh?
Yeah, I twist both my knees.
That's not good.
Excuse me, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, don't put it inside there. I'm gonna get the guy back here.
Yeah.
Alright. So, I'm gonna go put this in the van, then I'm gonna come grab my other stuff.
So I got them, you open it temporarily, okay? In case
Yep.
they ask you.
Alright guys, so there you go. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you do, give it a like, thumbs up, share, subscribe, you know, the things. And until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna. Just saying guys, you do a good job, they feed you. So it's going to be a nice veal sandwich for my lunch. So until next time, guys, it's been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.